So guys, you have created your blogger account, so now we shall learn here how you can do your blog settings. So this is setting. You can find this here as you're watching here, setting tab. When you will click on this and you will reach here. So let's do the settings. So guys, in the title box you need to type the uh, name of your blog, whatever you want to set. Like my is tech and tips. In the description box you will type here the description of your blog, like my blog is about blogging, youtubing, money making. So whatever the topics on your blog is, you need to type here. Set here your blog language. If there is any adult content, then you need to turn it on. Google Analytics property ID, here you have to add your Google Analytics property ID. Then first you have to add your property on Google Analytics. So I will tell you later about this, how you can do this. Next is favicon. Here you have to add your favicon. You can give a different identification to your website by adding a favicon, like you are watching here is mine. So you can add here, and to know how to make favicon you can comment. I will tell you how you can make favicon. Next is visible to search engines. We want this is compulsory to be enabled if you want that search engine could know about your blog. Next is blog address. Here custom domain. In the custom domain you can add your own custom domain. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my blog or video about this topic. So next is HTTPS redirect. So you have to turn it on. So this is a free feature of Blogger. When you make a blog on other platform, then you need to buy SSL certificate to show HTTPS, but here it is free. This is the awesome thing. Next, blog admins and authors, help to show the name of admin. Pending author invites. If you want to make author to anyone on your blog, then you can invite. This is a awesome feature if you want to save your time and you want to get opportunity to type content for yourself, then you can use this feature. Next is reader access. Here you can set your who can read your articles. Then you can change here the setting whatever you want to do. Next is maximum post shown on main page. How many numbers of posts you want to be shown on the first page, you can set here. You need to turn on these two options, image lightbox and ADS panel. Next is comment. Here you can set your comment privacy, like comment location, who can comment, you can set here. If you want only your readers could comment, then you can set here, or you want anonymous and public could comment, then you can set all settings here. Comment moderation, you want to moderate a comment, you want to accept or not accept, then you can choose this setting always, otherwise you can change. You can fill here the email in email moderation request to moderate the comment. Reader comment capture. If someone comment on your blog, then the person will find capture to fill, because they show spam sites who comments. Then to avoid spam, you need to enable it, so must enable it. So you don't need to change these settings. Enable search description, enable it. All the remaining settings you don't need to change. And in Google Search Console, I made another video how you can add here your website, and please check out that. Leave all the settings as it is. So guys, this is the setting. Make the setting and all is okay. Now you can start adding content. Okay, so we'll meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.